Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to factory reset the Mova V70. The link to it will be in the video description, where you can find links to all of our top robot vacuum, wet dry vacuum, and cordless vacuum cleaner picks, as well as our daily vacuum deals and our newly released robot vacuum comparison tool. So be sure to check those links in the description. We'll pop off the top cover. Our unit is on, for those that are wondering, and we have our blue Wi-Fi reset button blinking right there. You might see a blue light illuminated on yours right there at the ring, but just make sure that yours is on. And to conduct the factory reset, we're going to press and hold that reset button down for about 3 to 5 seconds. And you're going to let go when you hear a prompt. So let's go ahead. Let's do that right now. The indicator light itself is the button, so we're holding it down right now.
Restoring to factory settings.
So now we're going to let go. That was a little bit longer than 5 seconds, but you get the idea. Just hold it down till you hear that factory restore prompt, and that's going to be all you need to do. Just give it a couple of minutes to go through the cycle and it will boot back up. We just heard the startup music. We have our blue light on. The lights here are blinking white.
Welcome to use Mova Robot.
The module's going up. It's going back down. And then we have our initial startup prompt telling us to scan the code on the cover to set it up. So everything has been factory reset.